Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So it depends on what kind of speed up you would like, either like the playback speed or the video itself speed. And basically for the playback, that means only like seeing the clip, you will be needing like just to use either a shortcut or you can use these ones. So basically here and you can have like here and basically those in points and out points, etc. So basically one of the shortcuts that you can use is L. And basically the more you are clicking on L, the quicker the playback will be going. And basically this is one kind of like speeding up your playback. Otherwise, if you want to speed up your own video, you will be needing just to go to the properties panel. So whenever you are clicking on an element or an object, you will have like another panel that will be shown here. So we can like either move the panel here or you can choose wherever you want your panel to be. And basically here you will need just to have like the speed panel, and from here you can just increase the speed of your video, and of course it will become less duration, so it will become more speedier. And here let's just have our playback. So as you can see, now it's going like very quick. So here let's just like add speed to maximum so you can see that the video is speed up, etc. So those are the ways on how you can speed up your video in Filmora. So you can like also have like some other thing like reverse speed. That means you will be able to reverse your video. You can also choose the exact duration that you want your video to be, so it will give you the speed for that duration, etc. So thank you for watching and see you next time.